Can I get back to normal after quitting porn? I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. Let me answer that for you. Well, my first question is, why would you want to get back to normal? Let's get back to better. And if you see what this playlist is named, it is named for men who want to reach their full potential. Because I know the science behind pornography habit is that it is keeping you from your full potential. So the short answer is, yes, you can get back to normal. But the better, longer answer is, you can get back to better than normal. The goal of this reboot and recovery program, at least in my estimation, is to optimize your brain like it's never been optimized before. We're going to unwire the pattern that created the need in the first place, and then the pattern that has kept this habit perpetuating over time. So as we unwire that pattern and we rewire your brain with the optimal brain pattern, your brain will work better than it's ever worked before. So yeah, you can get back to where you started, but hopefully you're going to get back to even better than you started, which will move you towards your full potential. And that can absolutely happen. I've helped lots of people be able to do that. And the way to do it is to unwire the pattern that has gotten you into the habit. Rewire the pattern for optimal brain functioning, one of calm, focused joy, as I call it. And then you can get on purpose in your work like never before, better than you are right now or you were before you started the habit. You can get on purpose in your relationships. You can have better relationships than you've ever had in your whole life. And you can get on purpose in your play and your hobbies. You can perform better at the things that are fun for you, and you can have more fun doing it. So let's get back to better than normal, not just normal. That's the goal here. Okay, if you need help in that journey, reach out to me at drtrishleigh.com. I have an awesome short course that's only $49, which makes it affordable, accessible, and anonymous, just like porn, if you're up for that. And remember, control your brain or it'll control you.